Now let's spend a little bit of time and see how data analytics can help us make a strong case for implementing better diversity policies within the organization. What I have for you over here is a small data set of a fictional company, and this data set has been uploaded for you in the project files. I highly urge you to download the data set and follow along with me as I explain to you how we will use simple Excel features to analyze this data. So go ahead and download this data set and open it up on your computers on Excel so that you can follow along with me. So before we begin, let's take a minute and look at what this data set is of. So what we have over here is a table, and by clicking on one of the columns, I can see that I have 1551 rows. This includes the header row, which means that I have 1550 rows of employees. In the first column, I have the employee ID. Then I have the employee name. I have the current designation of the individual employees. I have a seniority level, and then I have their gender, their age, and the compensation. Before I begin, I would just like to say that for the purpose of this demonstration, I am using gender as one of the diversity measures. However, the things that I share with you in this demonstration will be equally applicable to all the other demographic parameters as well. So without further ado, let's jump into the analysis.